Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 16, leçon I. And in this lesson, we'll see together l'adjectif comme adverb. Okay, so let's start right now. And it's actually quite interesting because normally we tend to think that, well, we will use adjectives and only like adjectives, but in some cases, actually, it's possible to use these adjectives as adverbs, okay? And so that's exactly what we will see in this video. So keep in mind that to construct this adverb based on this adjective, you will have to, well, take this adjective and then you take la forme masculine and it will give you this neutral form, okay? So it means, and this is really important, that le féminin et le pluriel, actually they won't exist. As you will use this adjective as an adverb, it does mean that you don't do anything, you don't put anything at the end for the feminine or for the plural, you just keep it like that. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. The first one, les oiseaux volent haut. Okay, so you can see that here you've got haut, and it's an adjective, but as we connect it directly to the verb voler, okay, so it is an adverb. All right, so it's an adjective that has been changed. That has been changed into an adverb. Okay, so les oiseaux volent haut. La rose sent bon. Okay, so exactly the same thing here. You've got this bon, okay, it's an adjective, but you use it as an adverb. Even if la rose is feminine, you don't put anything at the end. You just keep it like that. Bon. Okay? Il chante faux. Exactly the same thing. Faux, okay, is an adjective used as an adverb. And then elle travaille dur. Okay, so les oiseaux volent haut. La rose sent bon. Il chante faux. Elle travaille dur. Okay, so remember, haut, bon, faux, and dur are adjectives that are used as adverbs. So remember, the way to construct or to make it is you take your adjective, vous prenez l'adjectif, la forme masculine, and then you will get this adverb, so la forme neutre de l'adverbe, and keep in mind that you will never put the feminine at the end or the plural. Okay? And this is it. Merci beaucoup, au revoir, et à bientôt. Have a great day. Bye bye.